Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy and I make videos mostly about our allotment, although we haven't made any for a while, just because I haven't been to the allotment much due to work and obviously the shorter days, so I don't get here in the week, and there's just not been as much to do through the winter really. So we're here today and we're going to be making a no-dig bed. So if I turn the camera around, I'll show you what we're going to be doing. So we've got this area here next to our greenhouse, and the plan was to make it into a bed last year, but we just never really got round to it. So we had this table that was found on one of our plots, was over here, and we found it was quite good for potting up and things like that. But this area here, the things in this bed just never really grow because the light is over that side. It comes round over there, so these trees in the summer on next door's plot block the light, and then obviously this fence as well. So we decided to move the table over there and make this into a bed. So we're going to be doing it with a no dig, so it's a bit uneven. I'm not sure if the camera shows that really, and what Mum's done is sort of laid out sort of markers. So what we're going to do is like what we've got on our other plot, is this is going to be a bed here, and then we're going to have a path in between, and then this is going to be another bed here with a path, and then another bed, because the way it works at the moment is there was this bed here and we used to walk round here, but what we've done is we're going to make the path go through here, this side of this cherry tree, and then all of this will be beds and paths. So we're hoping we're going to have some compost in our compost bin up here, that we can use to sort of level it out a little bit. Then we're going to put on cardboard and then put some compost on top of that as well, and then we will wood chip in between like we've got on our other plot. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So we should have nice, I think we worked out we should have 3 new beds put in there, which will get the sun, because the sun, as I say, comes around this side of the plot. There are a few trees there, but it should be obviously it'll be higher up, so it will come across there, and then it gets a lot of the sun there as well, because basically this greenhouse is like in the sun the whole time in the summer, which I'm not sure was a good idea, because obviously some things get a bit too hot and frazzled, so we have to bear that in mind as well. But yeah, so we're going to crack on with that, and I'll show you if we've got any of our own compost as well. So this is our compost bins. We've got 3. So we've got this one, and this one. So we've got this divider in here, so that this divides this one. This has got all the stuff in it. Mum turns that sort of maybe once a month or so. And what we're going to do is, the idea is that this, we can move into this one as it breaks down a little bit, and then you sort of move it along so that you've always got sort of compost really. See all the ice. Ice on there. What? Oh yeah. It's been a bit cold this week then. So we cover it over. You can see where the rats have been chewing that. So yeah, we cover it all over. And as you can see in here, we have all our cuttings, garden, kitchen waste, so Mum's eggshells, because obviously we don't eat eggs, and bits of cardboard, toilet rolls. So you've got the brown and the green in there. Tea bags, coffee.
Not tea bags, tea grouts.
There's your tea bags.
Oh, we did put a few. Usually I take the tea out.
Oh right, yeah. There's lots of tea bags.
Yeah, because we got a little overrun.
That's all right.
So
we're gonna.
What I'm gonna do is just initially
into there, just so then it's easier, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, this isn't
not broken down yet, but just to give it another better chance of breaking down.
Yeah, we should have broken these up really. This is the lessons you learn.
Yeah, well this is the first time we've done it, isn't it? So this is some of our sort of compost. So it's quite thick, and if it was left longer, then bigger bits would break down. However, for what we need it for, this is perfect because we want it to sort of level out the ground a little bit. And obviously it will continue to break down even when it's in the bed. And we're not going to be planting anything in it for another good few months anyway. So it'll have plenty of time to break down even more. But we're quite pleased with that. That's about a year old, some of that.
This is the worrying thing. That is the start again of comfrey.
Oh, that's going forever, isn't it? Look, got a worm in it and everything,
Yeah,
look.
brilliant.
Woohoo!
That's what we like to see. Shall I go through the new path?
Yeah, go on then. Down our new path. So we're just putting some of this compost here because this, where Mum's putting it there, is a little bit lower than this bit here. So we're just putting it in there to try and sort of level it out a little bit. And then we'll put the cardboard on top, and then we'll put some more compost on top of that.
Yeah, so where are we doing this? Yeah, and then we'll get some more to do. It's cardboard. It looks like some kind of plastic. It doesn't seem to. Well, it doesn't seem to break down as much as. So I don't think over time it will. This is the thing. We do want it level. We don't want it. But as I say, it will become level. Tip it on top. Tip it. Tip it. Easier, wouldn't it, as you said? Expert. No.
So we've done one bed, and then this, as I say, this will continue to break down, and then we have got some shop bought compost as well, just to put on the top if we need it when we come to actually plant in it. We haven't got enough cardboard now here to do the other beds. We've got cardboard in my shed at home, so we will do that another day. So the reason we do the NoDig bed, one, it's a lot easier work, and two, it's a lot better for the soil because you're not disturbing the soil and affecting all the microorganisms and stuff. They do the work for you, take all the nutrients down, and it doesn't disrupt the soil too much. So the idea is that you don't dig, you just put the stuff on top, and it works a lot better for the soil itself. Right, so we're just going to, what we're going to do is try and cover over some of our beds just with this plastic, which will hopefully kill all the weeds that are, have grown on there. And then when we come to plant, we can just take it up and it'll be ready to go. And then we can put some of our nice fresh compost on there. Is that it? Done. I thought you was going to put one on each side. So that bit down one side and that,
That's a good idea.
rather than straight across the middle. See, and this is why we have random bits of wood off of beds and stuff, because you never know when you're going to need them. So that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you make NoDig beds, or if you're going to try and do NoDig beds this year. And I'll see you all in the next one.